Huawei Honor Play, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's find and select the settings. Then from the following list, let's scroll down and choose here the security options right here, security and privacy. So then scroll down, choose more settings and select here the encryptions and credentials. Choose here delete all credentials, and in order to delete all credentials on this device, to clear all certificates, let's tap delete, and basically that's it. You just clear all credentials. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.